Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Rejoice One TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video you will be the first to be alerted. Guys, I upload every day on this channel. I bring out the latest gist, the latest things, what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. And I want to say a big thank you to my old subscribers and my new ones, and those that do support me. May the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye. My people, hello my people. I don't show again with this another ogbonge story. My people, this one na Baba wey dey smile, aka Franco Mewa. Na so me I consider give am the name now. So my people, e don show now. Come this Gwangwa Enoge and Ajebo. My people, not be small thing. This video not be here because the way Baba wey dey smile say dey finish the disgwangwan dem no be small thing, my people. And they tell Baba wey dey smile im own, and so they tell them im own too, because he don already talk and say this 2022 na saga continue. Na im just bring come. So in fact we never even enter last year December. Na im don start to the disgwangwan people come enter 2022. He and Proud Mom TV. Now their own first just come the boom 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 boom. Now Enoge with Ajebo. Now come the rain now for the saga. My people, I go dey leave una for here. More and watch this video. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time una dey come across this channel, una not forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below. Press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video, go dey sound for una phone, and it go make una wan come watch the video, wan watch the latest. And for this channel, we dey bring the latest gist come. And thanks for my old returning subscribers and my people wey dey come support me. May God Almighty bless you all.
As aka the social media king, the social media Cubana, the social media Otutu no more, the social media bomb. I just do my drink. How are you? Yeah. I saw boy. I saw boy you mau. I will not go you. Na gwega yo, oye ya o, na gwega yo, oye ya o, Nare, ajekpako, golorade, esi golo, iwe nu golorade o, esi golo, we nu golorade, esi golo, because we're walking. At your my way, master, at your one goat, or we make goat, or woman, my grandma, no, ya children, we don't wait we are home, what have any. I wear her way, you are a goat. Rather, ho, ajekpako, you are a goat. Goat, vianekwa, larewa, tali. We need to be guy. We are the nose wa towa be, wa musi. Wa here say look be wa be diawo. Who that we have the carry tade. Oh, wa my monkey, era mo bi ele lugbe. We know who we go ala new year, you know, on the 29th. On the 21st, on the 29th, on the 31st, on the 1st, why you gone? When now we're going, this is just the beginning of the year. Imagine what the trouble. When I am born on the 31st, when I get first, who are first is when you. But you understand, man? I say that time where don't wear my monkey, I got mobile little. When I stand, oh, where my work, boy, oh, yeah, mama. Don't know where you know any right away. Oh God. Before you know that the new year will be great for you, it determines what happens, how the old year ended. If the old year ended with peace, you go see continue the new year with the peace. If the old year end with saga, get time for mind say na saga continue. You know if you stop him. Because all you bite for 31st, you go want bite you for the first. Oh no, somebody's not understanding me now. So don't be surprised and don't be shocked that this year is a year of sagalicious. It's a year going to say, I professor say, it not go better for many presenters. It don't happen already. You understand? I want to vary no keke me boya to legbe. Hunda we, umak bayo harene aro iku. Why down honey one? First of all, let me first of all talk this our women when they fight themselves so. All those one I don't hear they want they already confess. Our Zenya carry away. Iriya money from Keredo, Buriya money Maribo, Riwa Vini presenter. It's not a new thing. You understand? It's not a new thing. I'll be saying it on this platform. For those of you that have been watching me, I've said it on this platform several times. Said that they carry my name, they go to the doctor. Even my own video where I do like this, they can't go to the doctor. I don't feel talking. Native the doctor, me and the native the doctor, we don't talk for phone. So not be a new thing. So if you want to talk what you see, or you want to confess, come out for live video, confess, not be pay show. Let's say you want to use and pay your house rent as we they done before. You feel me so? If you want just confess, my sister, confess, not be by pay show. You know the reason why? If we talk of say you carry person go native doctor, I hear they say they carry my name to join, they carry me go native doctor. Who fa carry me go native doctor for social media? Now Monica. Monica, you where they come and call the confess and they against native doctor. Now you fair carry me go native doctor. You and your squad, your Ekia Magwalo Association, your GPC Ekia Magwalo, GPC Ekia Magwalo, GPC Ekia no Konkon Magwalo, GPC a Soko Asomi Sokodo, GPC Achi Wele Achi Bulubulu Achi Zien yo Achi Kwoko Achi Keke. Igbe Squad Association. Now fair carry me go native doctor. Person wey go native doctor go summon person for native doctor. What they do you? Not be carry your matter go native doctor. My people, why time and not say why do I make with my hair? You understand? Person wey carry you go native doctor. Say this person I summon son. Summon son na not the invitation. You summon son for shrine. Automatically you don't invite the you don't call the person name. This person where you come summon, so what be name? Say na Frank Victor. Baba with this man. They write down for God. They send me some months later. It did my phone here. Put my phone here. Under how many months? I didn't like about the fly like na rice and beans. Wow, these nale. The way that they pack the people they come. They say wow, these nale. If I look my inbox in the morning, I didn't like zero. Money kwon money gwes. You and your so-called GPC association came and lost squad. You were the first person that took me to Ayala Shiran. Oh, Alemia. From there, no do. Ayala say, I'm on Egui. I'm married boy, I don't know what thing. I'm married to tear was all the you. Short of all the was only on soon. Ayala young Agbe. Ayala will be a team is over away. Only I'm winning Ayala Bugo. So, automatically, now you when they shot, now they don't play Ayala. I said, the current. Now you feel carry me go Ayala paper. When I was president that year, I mistake, I leave you. But when I mistake, there's never a time a picture the way I stop now. Who now we are only somewhere two seconds again, joke. We need Tarioji, we no go has a bumaton. Understand? I will not bonus up in Norway. When I started now, oh now I man who I man and the maybe. Understand? In I until you go like go all out go put on. But I'm not joking, I come with authority. You feel me so? If you misbehave, you will collect. And that's the truth. I don't block anybody now. Anybody will just bring back on me. They give you go to call all you boy have VAV. You understand me now? So they want them one side. After Monica say they come in a group. Baba with the small mark by. Yeah, we are going to assume so that I feel well, I feel poropoto, I feel quack. No hey gin. Osaru say and the husband. E no give we. E no give boga. E no give watu. They carry my name again. Carry go native daughter. When they wait to the same gang, the same GPC Ayewa, the same Ashi Fele. They carry my name. You want one single like personally. This will not be group again, this one personal direct entry. You still reach there. If my brother will like me. Oh, bro, Larry Enoge, why don't you come out on live video? Tell your fans. You were happily, you carried, your wife carried you, come give me. But when the table turn around, you not fit come on live video, come tell your fans. What can happen for the Shiraya place? How the content disgrace you for Shiraya place, you not coffee talk. You and your stammerer wife you put for house. No. You know now we be the Chris, we be the man. No kiye mwekwa, na ye yogo. We no get the same kwa go. You not come out, come tell your fans, say what happened for you last year, all these years. Keep you quiet. Who carry me go native doctor like that? Not be you. So what are you people saying? After that one, go see that one where breeze the carry waka for Bayan. That one where breeze the carry, but the breeze don't breeze blow and that one single mother house for there. Sit down there, you yamak whatever. Now inside the single mother room for they contribute. After enough frustration, you see where man the frustration. And it tells you, no woman can bring me down by the special grace of God because I know who I am. You must be very smart as a man of wisdom. Because you can succeed on this social media. Because a lot of people are coming after you to bring you down. If you say you are the insult me, go come. Make I talk sense enter your brain. I'm not going to insult you. If you say me, Baba with a smile, they insult women. And I can still stand frame like this, we talking. Reasonable women, they are all in support of me. They back me up 247. Then you will they praise women, then they fall you down. You should go and check your life. You should go and check your life. You when they worship women, they praise women, then they bring you down. They bring you down to the extent that you don't even get platform again. Wait for the talk. Down to they call in for people live video. They contribute your low mentality. But brother, go and check your life. It's never too late. You can still change. Or you come, they do boy, follow me. Make I brush you up again. I can still bring you to the light. Because you're already in the darkness. Ugo, you defeat me. I don't go curse you again because why? You don't really carry curse. All the curse where you lay on me, don't really follow you. And I see you they talk for this your fellow idiotic human being. Enoge we yesterday night with Oswald Macon. No, we on Jack Baku. Or Daffy Glory, no glory baby again for many years in Spain. We are so, but you see the highest, the frustration to the highest level. The both of you are the team up for one person. Still yes, you must see them down. Nous bokboma wuran bobe gbere yo fi hu yu sifa. Uzek bokboma made. Uzeru amaru made. We mama na de we na he we digberato. That's what is happening to you go. Jazz. Not everything that works with jazz, but your honesty, your sincerity, your good heart. God, a little prayer, God will just answer your prayer. Things going to work well for you perfectly. You don't need to go native doctor go to do jazz. Ugo, you don't try many things. You don't work. Don't be say I'm too perfect. I get my own bad side. You understand? We all are all working towards imperfection. You feel me? Don't be say I to get brain now, I to get sense. Where my own for stop, now they another person own for starts. But the difference between me and you now the hearts. Oh, sorry, back by God does not look outward, he look inward. You feel me? Why humans look outwards? Ah, this guy is too handsome, this guy is too beautiful. God will look that one. You the top, the praise women, carry wear cap, wear for sale cap. They talk and the end today where your life, where your corner, where you for go end down. Where you for go end your life today. Now one single mother where they frustrate you for house there. You get wife and children for Germany. You know if you balance yourself, live very, very nice. Ugo, you believe same person like me go get 2 children for German. For 2 children for Germany here with this one. As I get sense rich, I'll come the zoo they follow one person for social media. You, your children, your wife, would not be 4. You don't really get team for your program. You don't get team. You will get your manager. Your wife will be your manager. Your children, everybody will get position. Gradually, you catch them young. You they jump, they follow single mother house. They look for their money, whether they pay them. When they go, they feel they take. One could they build scrap house where they build for Nigeria. Why do I go? We are going baba with the smile one. Where they use my brain they hot 247 for inside system. With this breed, the later time they cool down on the dish like 3 hours. We are bola. You just me I'm at the same class. And why me? No man we are young one why zoo why say and all the lifestyle one of the live na native doctor lifestyle or juju lifestyle. When you depend on Joanne too much, you will end up look frustrated and wretched. What take care of back today? Now too much of ojuju. One person to get into courtesan, different courtesan, asak pekan, asak boto, asak bobo, asak pipi, oyiyo, mojiba, majaku, majasa, all those kind low life mentality when our forefather lives. Where today we still dey suffer. Instead of not to upgrade my head, to upgrade. How many of you dance that sakboko sakbaka will be billionaire, no day? Will be billionaire, trillionaires, no day. And then to the keep out, they keep chicken, they smell padan, they chop chicken, they chop those normal dirty things. At your age, as young as you are, you grant yourself to be 50-something year, 40-something year. I'm not drag any age with you now. I'm not drag any age with the drag with not my family. This shirt, if I die now, this shirt we are wearing, so you know go size you, now my son they go give to. You understand me? So nothing about me will go feel enter your body. So what do you need the drag? You my fans are your fans are my fans. The same fans when you come here, they press I like you, right down, right? They go see which way they cost, they go see they say amen, amen, amen. That's what it be. That's social media for you. You people are too daft. We will not get sense. If you go Ajebo online video now, the same people where they watch me will still go there. They will see the fire Frank there. Fire on, sir. You are right, sir. You are right, sir. If I still on the fire Ajebo and the fire in Ogi, they will still come. Fire on, sir. Fire on, sir. You are right. Now the phone will be that one. Now the we will not get sense. Not too dull to my liking. What am I wise? Not too dull to my liking. Lola go dey life now, they go fire me. All of France go dey there, they go say, carry on, sir, carry on, sir. If I dey here now, they beat Percy where they beat Lolo. All of France will come here, go send me and say, oh, wise man, carry on, sir, carry on, sir. Now phone be that one. My fans na your fans na my fans. My enemy na your enemy na my enemy. Then they rotate. Oh, with that way they fool ourselves. We don't get sense. We know who are really muere the bottle. When I say muere the bottle, I'm be. Now the fans, the callers, the live, the commentators, now they give una moral, they make una the fool themselves the more. You know the reason why you people are not genuine? You're not doing it for real. You're doing it for your selfish interest. You understand? You are doing it for yourself. You will not just get sense. I think they on fake account now. I go say they insult myself for year. As I do so, I will use I say no man Frank Victor na Mugu. The person go still follow me for the comment section. You are right, my brother. That guy na really fool. And na me be the person. I think just say men's okay. That the fake account. I go fire you there. For your mind, you go get hope. Say you get fans. You get fans. Us working bros. You see, if you people are really matured, really aged, that age when I'm at this, so 40, 50, 70 years when I'm at this, and when they behave like animals like this, it's better I become 15 years, get sense like this personal. If I did 15 years, I get sense way past on my own like this, I don't want to pray to be like me. When I go pray, when I come tap for my head, when I get this kind of sense, I'm going to bring on age, when I come to this kind of age where I did so. Because if not this kind of age, or 34 years, 35 years, and the person go fit day, go get this kind of sense. At least you will be happy. Also, working here, the only brain, the only mentality when I get now to deceive all these innocent women, collect their money, they go to do one thing for Nigeria. See, at the end, you consider be traditional man. Under the influence of women money. So you be traditional man. When men, really traditional men take care of their wives. Now our own traditional man, we are the traditional man who women take care of. Now don't they divert the tradition. And the son of a traditional man who goes, go and walk Norway, bring paper come, they pursue one for there. He said, so big people, because he doesn't say all his squad, who are still the same people, the same Monica squad. They say all his squad, they don't succeed. They never go Lagos. the divert go Lagos, and after setup too, what una go enter? Una go still spend una your own money when you know if you give your mama was so dirty and wretched in Nigeria for a savior. So if the way, and imagine, if the way me go, so I see your mama, my own fans went to Nigeria, go look for your mama house. Now here I give her the address. Number 4 Gowe Street. I give your address, come out. They go look for your mama address. As I call okay, my man send me the video. They call it, as I send me the music, I'll come post your mama video. You know, does it not make sense? Why your man don't know say that the video now? Who go there? You don't know say that the video now. I can go post the video for social media. If now you who go get that kind of opportunity when me get to disgrace you the more, you go do it. You go do it. You carry a come at me, you might put to for ground, make it the pot blood put. You the carry camera the video and you go post them for social media. Say woman, use blood for me. You just not today we started the see blood. This eye is about highway white. Virgin blood never do me anything. Not of Biaga blood. Blood where you matter don't do baby. Don't do fornication. Woman when you get man for her, they sleep with your husband best friend. Now I brought for the same. Una go see people back on the spine, keep quiet, me they respect women. Woman get husband for her, they sleep with your husband best friend before your husband go Italy, go do paper compact for this sanitarian document they do for Italy. Different 4 guys in your husband friend squad whip him before you go to. We go you and you also know your husband. You still carry the woman at heart, and the husband are the same courtesy with you. They whip your own guy man, your own blood, your aruba. They whip your woman. You give her belly. You give her belly. As a presenter, the man come, one can take over in your own wife. What are you supposed to do? If you are really a live video presenter, a motivational speaker, are you not supposed to settle the dispute between that woman and that man? Instead, you join the woman, they pursue the man. Because because they sweet you. Because you see the benefit when they come with the woman, and the woman will get out of giving. You see, in our life. When I think some people when they watch or they not get sense. Look this award when you see so. Your best friend, where I never see face to face. Now you do this award. Give me the award. I never see him face to face. You don't do things with this guy when you do this award. You don't ask movie with him. You don't eat with him. You know a house. You don't go a house. You don't go your house. He do award. 10 good awards. He give me one inside. No one reach. The 2 of your hand who go. You who go. And the so-called Inogi. No one reach in your hand. Your best friend. If you be picking with get sense, only this award alone will tell you that your way to the world is not clear. If your best friend could see you, not classify you as a normal human being. If your best friend could see you, not look at you that you didn't deserve a word from him. My brother, you go check yourself. Not to come out on media to destroy this guy's handwork. You're supposed to go in there and check yourself. Say, for this guy, now he bid. He they give you bid. Now he bid. Now they do a costume for a movie. But when you want to share awards to the live video presenters for throughout the years, none of your names comes out of it. It should be a good example for you to know that you change your way. Because now your way will make people look you well. Or when if you are doing your thing well, people are there that are not commenting. They are watching you. They know who is doing it for real. They know who knows what he's doing. Who is saying the truth. Who is just doing it for fun. You know. See, make I tell you one thing. You who go and you no give. One thing you don't know. You be gamma, how's that what they talk to us? So one thing you don't know. Don't think say only the people they do this abroad. Let they look us. I can remember when I was talking to my friend yesterday, Efe. I talked to my friend Efe yesterday. Efe, you get place where Efe you go yesterday for Bini. For now, they go party. He said, he come, he say, Frank. He said, what time now? He said, now your mother, they only talk, you may they talk your matter. They laugh when you're kidding. That guy will talk, say, Akure, he said, now your mother, they only talk, I call the laugh. Oh, my brother, my one, I know when I'm in my way. I say, they been like they tell me so. He said, in your do like say, don't know me. When your matter, we may talk your matter there. That's to let you know, so people with the house, they watch us. That's why I tell you, that's not be who having a busy so could you una news and see if you could say well no way all this atrocity that is following you, all this atrocity not going away. Are we make video to any make video to on make video so what temu Bueno, my be too flat, my be one flat. Where ye be foundation, where ye setting, where ye view block lily meter. When you are thinking moving a mere war, show me. Do what why, while we are walking on a religion. Do whatever while Lamaki company caterpillar in Nigeria, Ajebo, where are you work Bobia winning? Eru obo, why team well I will, oh, no, well I will, una ya you in the wo yele ha wane akparo eku una ya mu e kinye komo ayi nupo yu ye ya mu ya gu ye dogun de be no tabe ye do de be we ni ya masowe a ni me ya masowe a mo yori mo ele ajebo ni me ya masowe me no ya mimi me no ya bokakire ni wo na do genu de wado da me no ya bokakire na ni me ya masowe ara mo yori mo ele me na okwa ti la dire we bono mo bo gbe we ye na ha wane me na wo ri bu ko ya gbe kayiwe we have an ime, Mena will not even no ya make you, sunu. Oh, one way senior Severa, and you when you have baby could have fearing. Zebobia. Coima book behind your master la. No, ya have my way, you can have a kitten of your little big, it will go by Nogi, and no give go and go to why have a baby. You understand? A yek way color. Emana we magmo odo wa kewere una ori egi ebo pada yi akpopo wani ke kan jamu yo wa ege ya tamu wa we nu wani kwani eri won saka wasaka we no yo bad dog bad of the dovie we na sayona wa ya wo okwo ya gbegbe agamu for many years wo no ho e ko de no mine egwe na wo ye po e ko ho e fi an ko kin yamu yo wa no book be in Nigeria. You got a remwe life like ya dear webu. Ona you ikpaku e ko ke. Ikpaku e gbegbe abiano ya ko ke. Kiye come over. And after that to e bella obone. Una woni yo e Benin traditional man. Una woni yo e igbe abiawe. No gbe are mi go yo mune. No gbe are ri yo obone be webu. Igo yo e. When I go on, am I dissolve marriage ni? Who know whatever. Benin traditional man. Oh, na wada magbe, oh, na wada. Uga asu na fiye wili. Oh, be na wada magbe. They will come away. In one any wa asu ne dede. Wo na wada magbe, oh, na wada. Oga su borinya. Oga se bedo de loye. Oh, na wada magbe, oh, na wada. Ajebo se gbo na fiye wili. O gbe na wo magbe o aderi yeke nu deri yeke na e mo ti enu e iwon la wo da won ya ki won deri yeke wo deri yeke o na wo magbe o na wo o mi ere de ma mi ere to ko na ma to ga ri ra e ne o de ko na zo ka bo ya pe won na ege uwe so ne gbuwe we o we ya pepe atiti o ma to ya deri yeke e de de ma pade gbo efo wo de gbi ibi e do ni en gbi ne biko oge do ni en because won ni mu aya atien ko ni ro godo e do ya atien pe ni ro koko ajebo o pe ana won na apegbe ara mi to ta yo wa o tu muse omo mebo o muse ke fise aka kinye bo ka kinye we uyena Shata bondo of Ghana been a my country no. Wo bote kuteku yewa. Uyasi le wasi le scafish ye. O wu agboyi. Ko mo me no ti ni gbo ma. We agi opia no ruwo ni ruwo ve. Oh you papa ni la you papa nego. Oh you papa ni la you papa nego no ha ko egbe mo. Oni atiti. Oni okpe no hoso. Oruwo ni oruwo ve. Ebo arire oyo papa ye ba ye panego we had to argue we already say class waye the same person will borrow ego a ticket to near your door the same man will borrow ego the same man will you will man live own way una ngara na gadi ba na ina nganya e we do afia ko be la video we bo mu yuwa o iju we ya this virgin ta ma won we kele gbe mi awo iju ya gbo yo e juk imana we baba gbe we yi okay mana me gbogodo okian David Omena you are my stepson Ya we ya mo you ya ka me gbe ya mo you. You understand? Let's call a spade a space. Let's really talk to ourselves as a Benin man. Ya gbe gbegun. Ene ro onu e ri mo nu ge jagun. Ya san bo my gbe. Na no koko na koko wa. Na no nwa ara ye wa. Ogun gbazin. Ajebo. Adazo ma sisi. Iye nogi. Na ria lati yewa. La ria kan. Ada kan ti ni ba. Account you be Western Union. If a bola we win. Ajebo we win. E karo wa ti fo le kia. Organic cream for the way. Where we now? Oh, can drag a cream? Why ya Blishy family. Blishy family. Where we now? Where we now? They are no give okay. You know, you are blish. Why blish? Oh, mama, why do I blish? Why imagine the kind of lifestyle we live? What do you people have to present? What are you presenting to the people? Now look, a monkey face no what you're about. Monkey face have warned you people in the court law of Germany. And you people are giving a lot of strife to pay it, or you go to prison. And you keep quiet, you didn't say it out. The same people come out and say, only who not done your bunny, only your bunny, only who not be color, only who not be color, only no got you no got your come back, no got your home. Edu, let's want to it was a tally lumem. Ogaro yo hamba, ogaro yo hamba. Akene ga okan oba na so amuya buru begwa, na so akuri yan egware. E ma maji, ba amu egweri aki. E ma beji ba amu edego masigo. Ajebo, unu wa na heya. Unu we na mana ho gbogba. Unu we mana ho yo okon fie. Unu we na e mana heya live video. E unu we na mana ho okpa yo. Nu ya deceive kwima. Why what a bemu? What a unoke guabari na unoke guamatori na unoke ne na unama giwe. Unama giwe. Una atala with that video. Very many of those so very well. By this year, now why will you a Bible when you do it? If you don't know some, now if you do diaspora here, que no sé que no rame, unoke guabari na eri mangalo khawe no hinkwa wazua gwedo wa howa gwedo muje do buto aga mwe bon mwe benu weti aga mwe benu weti. What did you have to say? What didn't nyata when all the ya tori ya hune when not certain ka hune we don't mwe benu weti who I beg for forgiveness. You have sinned against the ancestors, you have sinned against humanity. By asking your own wife with pregnancy to go to road work for prostitution. Why do I go in life? And what? It's a way my way no kuna. This why, and it's not a joke. Okado no. Kata me yo last year. Kata me yo last year. Orphanage mu we ni. Iya mu ye oniri. Ozi nyi we ma. Orphanage mu we. Iyowa. Ipin abokpa ma wo si. Iyowa. Ipin abokpa e ma wo si. Iyowa. Ipin abokpa e woni no. O ga gba bi sen e bo ri ti ni. Iyowa review. Ima oni so anso anywhere. Whenever ya gbe topic ge wan. O ma ni gbegbo simo. Ima de bo an ka. That about this man. Adanegbe o siemere. Idanu ese na o Iyowa. Idanu ese de. O ina mo. Ajebo la re won wo. Ajebo la re o sun. Wo ke Vivian wa sun wa. Vivian mu o wa re mu o deria. O de ga gbo. Uderagwe usalobo nu magana eye kwe mu na oge usalobo eye kwe mu na oge e glory oge ke glory ya go glory o ya agboru e glory ga sambodu e di agbe glory ye go no mari ari ke ya dokoko ni gbe oko ugbe belo yin me wa nya no e u total u vakara u ga nya no e because why usalobo agbina nu we ni we mai Ajebo, ofo fokoko, igama giadere no. Ofo fokoko, igama giadere, ajebo so wegbe. O talo, o ikale gbele le ma. Even udaka gmo when you see your life. Ikbe ana mo awokoto na zin egbe mi. You no sunu dani. Be na zin egbe mi. Oh, you na zin egbe as a man. Let me tell you, ajebo to talo go one because you lack of wisdom. Let me diagnose you with little wisdom. Oh, in your life, you know zin egbe. Especially when it comes to life partner. When you involve life partner, you look well before you step in. You look very well before you step in. Era ma ya akpita ma owo mem na no yewe. Owo ko ma na bie nu e. O ma na ye bie we ho nu yi, ho nu mu yo wo ho nu yi. Owo ye, ge ko na ka bie no ka ya bo yo na baba ya o. You ni ka o marriage ne. You ni ka o marriage ne ka o ke bie. Iba ma ha do ni se sin. O we wata na we. Ada we ho je bo no make na nwa. Ina gele ya we marriage. Na mu go yo wo. Amogo yo won na so asale ko e ko na regba e ya o ko na bie o ko ga bie o ga bie mo ko o ma ye ko no ri yewa o ga bie mo pia e wa kan na ko no ri yewa o na bie mo pia o ni ha we no di o no nya ku no nya to e wa kan na the real biniguma wanga na ko yewa do ko no mano do ko ne mano e wa nyana no e do ko no ka ke kin na re o le ba poto poku khewe o ara wo dafme ya menu ya ko do to tan no ri ba e ra ko no are no ya ba ya mo se nya yo sa mo le bi mu de ya nya e nye ko ari ko sa lawa wa bi mu bia le e wa nyana do e ya o ri sunu na egbe ina we Emeni baba tami meme ti mekian ya yoko do ede igari yota na hafu begbu do na do jere venira meta mama I want to agree no zero nyi me so ni ga dere e lo ga je that's relationship ari bia ma be mo bia e mata o we na fi mo die e go we no okay as a man wisdom and if you born with it. You understand? When I mean, I'm a solution. Solution must come. Ajabo. Now, oh, no more work away buri. Yeah, the farm more work in Nigeria. I mean to say, more work in Nigeria. Mommy way life or before that woman brought you, you yourself know too well where everything was not with clear eye. Ajabo, you know. Everything was not with clear eye. You know, relationship. The relationship between you and that woman, those years, you know, Ajebo. When you boy go kuna we, Ajebo come. Ajebo, a punishment no me obosalo bona. You can't use your mouth talking. But what this man I'm going to tell you, I'm going to tell the world what you pass through. Glory dates you. Una date, una leave each other before Glory enter abroad. Immediately you hear say Glory enter abroad, bangan ji. Ajebona son contacter Glory. Ajebona son allo eboni Glory. Ajeboga awe bogi Glory. Ne Glory ya amu na bubu. Gidi ya. E Glory na, e Glory ma ya ya vo Ajebo adie webo. No be say na lapa o. Na flight. Na kigo gbe. Na gara Glory ma ewu ne gbe o ma ewu yo wo ma ebo wa. O ma mo ti on palo na kan wa Ajebo ade zin. Let's assume it was love. But we all know the story. As my business, we are boy amwe. The repercussion of what we do, I hope facing now. Ona mo Glory na mo la wo gbun. Glory mo la wo na a Glory in Africa shop. You frustrate. And when you spend ya in it, you frustrated Glory from number nonsense. Ajebo is a gambler before Kelawebo. We all know. That gambler, you know. That character, he brought it to Europe. Ajebo awa mi go ring road or the Kanafi gamble. Or the pool office. Or even Sewebo, the same attitude. On a mwela. Igo no koni ya mwena. Igo no koni ya mwena. Ona ya Africa so ya Gabo. The reason why Glory bounced back to Enugu, he frustrated Glory from A to Z. Ona ya Africa so ya Fitete. Ona Ajebo. Ajebo. Oze we bubi na we. Ime yo woku. Ma woku na gba we yon dun ame. Ige ewu nyi mo ma gyogo me o. Iga oko iye ko meko. Ima wari okwe kwere. Ajebo we na chiri okwe. Okwe ni ima wari okwe. Ari okwe we no enjoy very enjoy. Tado ke na khyoge. So kuma yema ye ti zin. Oweti yan wari, yan re suta. Me do ge we no. Ona any ba yan suta. We are not compatible. Earlier the better. Ewo mo alare ne. You understand? Earlier the better. Mama si egbe aye. Ona so asokian. Now, we the man there is go moda. Imagine we no po. Mo na sabe na jebo. Ogu we na ya is go moda. We na we game we no po bai. Kiyen komo yan agba gbigbe aganu. Kiyen komo. Ajebo, you are a wicked man. Of you when I allow your own blood because of your own blood, you get that courage to that extent of putting your own daughter into a vehicle, convey your daughter and the mother to road work for prostitution. The wickedness of the highest level. If not for the woman, at least because of the child, you will see temper messes with justice. Where we can total you. Una amuya ifa yupu. No we oyu we aru moto we. Ebo ga sale kayo ga Joshua. Omo ga le yore we o so da so wo no kan do mwene. Enwene bo yubo pin, enwene bo munu yi ne fin ne bupu. Because iku okay. Uya ke gbe ke okoro e, o ko ka wi emu la jan wi emu la jan. Wa na, mani ka we hozo ne ya wi emu la jan. Ya mo ye wonu. We ga fin mwene yubo pin e ke wa mo gba. Isso vai cair bom we depois o SOP. There is very so bien ba kondo yo we you know ya be we time ba time zo we li ke zin yo work and we are Ikebe Glory we are working hi Ajebo ugele zuwa we na wa ti wa si egbo we do ni aye ogun ni wa ye ta wa yo ni na si aye e Glory na ka lo ko Egbe Glory aya we Vivian na kalo e Vivian Ekebe na e Vivian o Ekebe fara ina na mo ba Vivian Ekebe Egbe Glory Ikebe Glory extra na ne so lo ba gia kwa aya kun Vivian fuga mi Ikebe Glory o gbe lo we kin dun ya we kiano o gbe lo we kin dun bo mi Ikebe Glory un we ga we kiano e Glory all balance na se figure it all balance no ya balance ya so ku all balance diet wa Ikebe o ni o sun alele Ikebe Glory bi ari eda ya wo ba meji o bi na sa we family na esiza no mo pe ya o no abo ye we vi o Ikebe Glory ga Ajebo na yesiti si gboko dia hundigo ona si ai ona le fry pan yansh fry pan no Ikebe fara na mo magodo ona le Digo, because all the year you are just looking for where to get money, here get money, here get money, here get money. La Ajebo, everywhere salary vient. Ajebo gere, Ajebo. La dia, Ajebo mawelo. Egbe ya kana na meri come on. Ya agbo e, be wa agbo mi we di bere na lo we se di bere. Won ka agbo e before igbo na so Ajebo kan we. E wo kan we ga jo. He said blast. No my driver we. When you ask boss about one can motor what you can now me they condition you he said boy last time when I saw one year work when I feel say eyelash if I beat you this time now don't dey chop food now not believe food you go chop if I go beat you to the yes you go chop sand moyabu where you call where you are a madman you bloody civilian babo where are you do Ajebo babo where you do bugu se babo where you musi usungu be de woro wa Ojebo atakara kwa dogoji Merwa o magwa fi anyagbe o veni meye meta o ologo gbe na bi correct Uzoma eretinye ro watalakpa ye wa yesin. Ewari na wari. Ona riba so emanso. Ura ya Roma no fi. Ona roboti efia. Wawanya wakpa no ramagba. Wawanya wakpa no rogida opche. A uzon ahin agade yame akikuta. Ajebo. Hey ya gburu o. Veni meje meta. Egwe me. Yo me go. O yo gwe. Beto yo go ma esi o ma yiko. Ebi no baba gbunu e. Mama depend when okumana iwa okumana ri go no be na wuye ba e. I'm a hustler. You understand? Uto gbe. O re wo too much gbe. O can we achieve it? O can we achieve it? If you can achieve too flat. If Okuno be aga for the past 20 years in Europe, you can only too flat or boy. Be again, look at be again. Yaga ni ati Sandra Agbogun no ma agbon oyo pa won mani. Sandra Agbogun ma do gbegbe aga webo. Sandra Agbogun wa yawo wa no bo. Ajabo you dey see am. You dey see small girl. Go look the mansion wey mount. Go check the house where Sandra built. Or no do ye pride or gbegbe aga for international okpo. If even we Sandra always runs. Cause I mean on phone that's a local runs. Don't let me tell you runs. Because near with Nigeria runs in matter runs, babe. I mean runs now. But always international headquarter or not Margaret. Headquarter, Italian headquarter. Go to Guinness Book of Record. You understand? Go to current affairs at here. Italy or headquarter Igbiaga. Even now when Margaret, on that year achieved 2 flats for the past how many years, 20 something years. It's a shame. Local champion. No, you get ya go like be ya you go bobo unik bia. Ale we yen pin be pay by. Wale Vivian o be pay yo. Wa go Vivian be pay yo. Okay, can I pay the Vivian, but you pay no one. Stupidity to the highest level. How can you be again one period of Nissan? Ebo set it do then. It's a shame. Ye mag be bomi oko. Ebo gbe mi oko. Ajabo, you should be ashamed of yourself. You are your silly, stupid wife. No, you are. Can you do it be as a woman? Woman with balance. You are going to Italian first lady. Italian first lady. If we look back, you will be going. Ebo no bien na omu go the Italian first lady we look. We know why you care. Any other okay look. Italian first lady. If we look bo, ora je look boy. What de kun ebo no mu go the you go be able to carry your. You understand me so? When I go exhausted, only a one why you Vivian, a one you know get the same one, a way Vivian, why you know, Yoji, a Vivian, hard that I'm here, Hogani good. Hey, oh, you, how to let me hear how you jogo, or more as a wife, so if you get your sock when you bring and come back. To let me hear, Vivian, but ball lava, Vivian, but worker, big breast. Assume. Ajabo. Kere. Walk back in it. Ye Vivian bagbe. Ye chibi chako weni bagbe. Igbe agano ogoni. O chi wele weni ye bagbe. Yo chi wele weni bagbe. Achi fio. We no go. We Vivian na rege. Wa mi Vivian yi. Ikito si no now. Elu wa wa yi. Uwe la paduzano uwe via itebe ewe ke na eni geni la yo se na tebe uwe itebe abola we gbe kuwe kokoro wo uyo wo ne gbe oko so lo bo ari ro egbo wi see your life Yorùbá se raye lóde ọmọ tó no gbọ́n kò ní pedigree ọmọ ale ọmọ radi kò ní control at all. Oba tesi yobo obo to bá rí ló máa fokobo any pekus lórí mi o gbe ki ayi all lead the way to the frustration you get now. All lead the way to the frustration and humiliation you are getting today on social media. I wish you are still with that woman who brought you from Nigeria to Europe. Today your life would have been better. Now pick up. Hello. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. You understand me? We are going. I just want to we go. Because of the evidence we waste too much. Too much. You do ya we na person they talk for them. One thing I so much love about the social media fitting. The same people not watching you, the same people watching you, they are all catching phone with your stupidity, but they know where to pick sense. Oh God. I too go like God because God, you know who be who. All of us they catch phone with a lot of our stupidity, our humiliation, our disgrace. But the reasonable people know where to pick sense. Because I always said it here. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. They know where to pick sense. My guy, you'll be learner. It's time away. Sagana. It's not for church play. Sagana is for church play. If you know fit, no, come on, body. Don't be joke. 2022, don't be for church play. Because many people go carry out attack. Assassin about this man. You go carry out attack. Why is it do? Go know what to be like.
Yes, hello, Marvelous. Who you about?
Sure, like. Check your life.
My brother, is sad news, but please, every sad we understand. Already, I have to break it up to you. So he said to the Biram and understand the control our report. Maybe make a problem in India. They came in Frankfurt airport. They control our road. They told my country black here.
Can you imagine?
At the end of the day, I'm out. He come around level 30. Why I said to say because first.
Wanna just imagine this person when they talk to Ajebo. Just imagine waiting the frame from your head. Just sit down. 3,000 euro person give you, say, help me take go Nigeria. You don't need collect and put your pocket. Change the money. Use until they do things on your own. Say from big boy for Nigeria. You know. Can you just imagine people for this life? And the same person they come out on social media to come address people, to come talk. You they talk now. You they frame lies to person will give you money for Nigeria, for Europe. And at the end, you can't confess. Say now you really take the money. You feel like to be your friend will come pick you for airports. Say now that one take the money. Oh God. Why this kind of person go fit make heaven? How this kind of person go fit make come for life? Tell me why God not go punish this kind of person.
Yes, hello, Marvelous. Who you about? Control our report. Maybe make a problem in India. They came in Frankfurt airport. They control our road. They told my country black here. But at the end of the day, I'm out. He come around level 30. Why I said to say because first motor in level 30. Mesedo, he said park it here or seven.
Listen. This year. Yeah.
So Meswa in our Somali be area if I Mesosi men not pick him because you don't pick him you want every matter of your moto me yourself if I
Hello? I greet you. You don't live video. A divorce record make me down. Me work me down ya duguri, me down. Oh yeah, me na criminal no you tapara no yo yido. Hoje almost be ya disgraceful. Yes. As boy, you know say people don't know you. The problem will get somebody that will tell Ajebo the truth. Everybody know all the truth we have to talk to. See lie no dey. Even Ajebo himself knows that the truth that they tell her. But she won't try to be a man. Oh God. She dey try to be able to follow up. You know. You think you will do all this rubbish, all this, see, all this nonsense where they do so. Time they call you will go please the put. And they test you. Just make small time. And they gather your evidence. When I gather the rich. Mo here who will ne. Okay. Why? I don't know. I will you can get big boy will do. The man maybe doctor. Where that's when. Who way that's when? Ajebo. Who way that's when? Of your video do now. One you're not no gina. No gina see me I no get heart of forgiveness. In your run up they talk about that, they try to beg. No, I know get he knows I no get heart of forgiveness. As you don't beg for forgiveness, I never answer man. I'm not the forgiven, they beat up back and front because I know say he no get nowhere. He no get no better person. He no get one gbon. Also he not agbe nyagba won yan agbe no gi. He no get agbe nyagba won egbe no gi. See ya man. Una never ask yourself why you no get no dey shout. Benjamin. Why you no get no dey shout? I never ask. Una never ask yourself why you no get no dey shout again. Una no ask. Because this life no balance. Una no ask why you no get no dey shout again. Why you no dey shout? Golo you come and you say I just the verse. A pajebo don't wake me up. Pajebo don't boost my morale. Pajebo and God will bless you. Me have pray pajebo. You know they ask why you know the shout again. Why he calm? Why he calm? Now mocking face, now calm and no get down. Muffy face, calm and no get. You not ask question. Everywhere cool. I don't know why I cool. I go tell them why I cool. Enogi, come out, come talk, come shout, Benjamin. Enogi, they say the day is so hard. If they collect body heat with your wife. Hey God. Wow, soon. Enogi, you and your wife. Now go see Pepe. Your wife go see. Because as they hit you, it will affect your wife. As they hit you, it will affect your wife. Your wife will hear win one day. It go follow you go prison one day. Your wife go follow you go prison when time reach. Why you not get on the come and the chat again? Before I know now, other sound you gonna jump. This kind of thing happen. A nogi of all people who know. A nogi of all people when we know. This kind of thing happen. You gonna jump up and down. Fra Victor, what's who? Fra Victor. You gonna jump, you gonna shout, you gonna scream. 1K, 2K. But the viewer, they don't get to do like they talk about Fra Victor. 300 people they watch her. I was like, what? What did they happen to a doggy? I have to go investigate immediately. Bad guy. Baba with a smile. Baba with a smile. I want you. I just do my drink. Meanwhile, Mero, Megwa, Fianya, Ready, Megao, or Logo be correct. Me no did. Egwene, Imahue, Irebe, Ire resident, in address. Lisa, Tawe, or Hanene be, or you go me wayao. Umaya way you're saying. You're supposed to know where something is under it, or when we not make kind of wicked, who that way no pay money do. What or ye? Oh, one bazia. Where making as an across one hour in domi, or there is Zubu. If I bought like bear, how can I then go across away on with beer? What there is again? Also, won't war. Enogi, or phone, or Monamu, or my no dere. Or Monamu, or my no dere. Or what back the work, won't we wear you? When I'm Muzaka, Muzamim. Adamio. Or when I dig my girl on the key, Cadamio, who that will put a woman. Iya na aluma getari yo weta ya go wa da we menwa hunda we gare upona o basu agbe no your pia to fiabo benu wa megbe yi na ma bo wa no oku ale no to di okuta we gbe no vekiri beni ta wa so ri ta wa fun we wona we edogun no siko wa ogbon no awo we gbe gbon no wa enogi kuwe kiyogowe kuwa yari rumani awman wa we gban wa ota very tired oji no vami no keke ni boya to legbe not fixing a joke it go be like drama when you go dey act for na eye ave kwa bonu wa zeni o bonu wa fi picture yo ni ave kwa itamu wa bonu wo yan gele se pe no wo yan bo no ti han de we bo okesi ma sinu agbe Oh oui. Snow gagbe. Mon mewe. Ya nono. Wana we magbon. Odo wa ke were. Enogi. Itama we ago tori oweji. Igo magbon gbe. You know. Wo heyo ere gbogbo no gbenu e. Gbogbo no gbenu e kwere na we no gilare. Erio. Look here. Uriya dimofi la jana zanzawa. Na enogi. Bedo. Uwe o. Saga got enogi ewe wezo. Mweze yote enogi. Uwe o. You go Oduma Kiti, what a Saga master. Oh, yeah, come out. You don't see Saga King now. Fall out, let's see. A bed muffin on you. At the muffin on you, when at ye, if never, or really raw. I don't evacuate the fuck by a weko, and could be a mirror no connecting. They have spirit no connecting. A 2,000 no. Anyway. But now I get where we now get you. Ni money yala we problem upon problem, depression upon depression, insult upon injury. Now here you go. We hear you whatever like or you pay the traffic. See your life now. Talk. If I hear work, we don't want billion. Before you do anything, you first of all check down. In every advantage, there's disadvantage. In every advantage, there is disadvantage. Why come we are no? Ti police. Come on, abi. It's assault. Why be yo? Anyone be the Murphy yo. Enogi wo ga we no ba one man le the Murphy. Eru ya pe pa the Murphy. Una ko pe imate Moki face now. Today now, the guy has won in court. And why are you jamming in the the rest other people need to see petition. I will bring the book one day. Or I'll platform the guy. Go to that guy platform and watch and listen to that guy speak. He read everything. He read it out. How he wants the court. Now can't give a level the more. A Europe in Europe. You cannot see me on the road. Who damage you, who drip you, only way damaging. We are can make. We like problem in it. Unless woman in every better lawyer, we like problem in it. Here I give Ozwoma Conaghe on your tear at Jepo. You walk one, and I not get away. Maybe levels of a Gemina. Maybe levels of a Gemina. You walk away, Guan. Right now, I will be levels of a Gemina. When he may snap it, motor the that white car may snap it a plate no bargain no. Who drive me a doa? You know, when I give him a level, was Zua. A lawyer will worry you, lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. Probably social don't have people that will with your lawyer. Because we get Zua. The Deutschland, the Mawezi. The Deutschland. A monkey face no ni wa khona is a duro boy. A government lawyer. I read the book out here on social media. Government free lawyer. I'm a paid lawyer. Free lawyer. A government lawyer or you government lawyer. When you go to lawyer ni amu kisi. Muhunwa. Ina age we ina wa agu na wa age. Who don't feel my wo Nigeria ina. Chair where I fall, chair where I fall, I fall even I fall in. Turn the truck, but I will. One of them not booking. Or Saloa. There will be no mama. Very useless man. Who were we are, we're not bleach. We're smelly man. A skin is not very men. While I'm a bono, you know. Would they? On our bugger, a bugone. Who born on me now. Back big bull by a winner. No, I will. Very much my team was sagging on. Oh, yes. When you can hear team with sagging no when you wait team with sagging on because who bleaches skin when I bullet better the disadvantage also no one give it soon that we back when go in a sagging team sagging team sagging because he bleach he dread tattoo sword why ya tattoo egbu here why go to amusi in your way again your go again Inyo gwen ni peke na okunu. Wa sa lo a. Wa bola we gbe. Ajekpaku. Yara wonu ye gbe ta. Yara oda fun dagbe in Nigeria. Eru wala. Go and look at him. Kinye ko wo kan no. Owo kan no mo ela webu. Owo kan no mo ela webu. Iye wo gba silupon pa yo. Agbe. But ki company re. That's a virtuous woman. Okono yo bog budu water da fi nya ese. Okono yo bog budu water we go. No matter the news about that man, no matter the saga about that man and that woman still stand by that man. Because why? Oreno. Omadori. Awe ti de o ti asa mo pa nya odo me o. Ti de o ti asa. Owe wa se yo sare. What you have you ever seen Eru Wala tawo? When I Eru Wala le rese. Eru Wala have never come and say, "Oh, iye no gi, iye no." He don't do that. Eru Wala called me on this my platform to talk, and the way he spoke, the way he said, "Man, or I mean, you side, or I make a decision of make any." Go where? Who piri? How can you be a man? Iye Suzy. Oh, iye mani mose. Iye Suzy. Gbema, iye wa gbenu, ya gbenu. Oh. Iye Suzy ya gbenu iye ni Mose iye Juliet ni Mose ya gbenu iye Juliet iye Cynthia ni iye no gi go ya gbenu iye no gi Oyoba. You are a useless man. Your wife is sitting down in there watching you Oyoba Kiyewu you singlet 10 euro or 9 euro 90 cents euro. What get to my live video. You are a very stupid man. Too stupid to my liking. Stupid man to my liking. A real Benin man on social media. When your children is coming to watch you, Uzaga, where Ewo bina me okbia. Ewe wa ajekpako. Ajekpako na wati we no gini fitiwe. Where Motiwe Mazwoko, you are the Mazwoko of social media, the Mazwoko of Frankfurt. Okay. Usalo ania. When you na, you do kido get English here. You don't brother. You get Sophia. Ugato. You get me. Ugato. You don't have regard for your wife. Who made regard no kan we? No. You first of all praise your wife, worship your angel first before you think of worshiping other women. Because you are looking for their money. Let me pick up. The social media president. You are live video. Okay, did you speaker? Let's speaker.
From Victor Noma. From Victor, Oyeno. Togi. I will only tell a platform, no guacave, if not soon. The Bawa, well, no passion. Wajaji, that way. A Mark Bona. I knew another way. I knew sit there on our resources. But we are if you would, yeah. I will allow now you my way. That's what you have. No, that I knew one my mere took me a salopani to stop. Well, I mean, no sooner one my when I platform man will not one pity. Me to be me from Victor. It's yearly now you remain no honey. But in your so ye can be not one lao near women and near Muyoto. I mean, no woman, no woman, no woman. As already a queen, who one in yet do. The one at our from Peter Lao, Immunopono, Lao, where more, where marry you go, you marry on water. Why am you there? Who then no money, a more, and one in yet do. Where I hear your, a dear who know Dano, it is from Peter, your own upper. No wire total where are we bagagui? Okay, I say, oh, I don't know your. I mean, your pan one idiot to not want peace. The man why is Saka now? The man did the Saka for 1 1. Why, Nyayo, Usalopa, from Victor, no now men one, Salobari, or maybe your honey would don't act bear, where I care. So I don't know why we do, what I am my way me, what I am my way me do, or never agree, or I make us about what all your from Victor, or to look who the way I'm going up, I'm going to talk. If we like me there, yeah, but wake me on it. Theater woman, my wake me up. The no can write a video. Yeah, but I'm married. Not by the whip, not by my door. I don't know what I can walk with you. What did you do? What I will know with my, what I will know with my Larry, don't know, talk a lot, no, Boko. Why you fair woman with book? Don't know, talk a lot here. Oh, why, about why I fair. On the better in it. From Victor. Mutanige Mufiuji. Omati me mwata. Oni beno ni yate. Wa me dok pa di ma we nuki. God ye. Wona ge. Wono je no kaji.
Really fat.
Magise wu. Magise wa wi me no ko na we. Mufiuji na hi. Emina woni ya me nuki pa. Eda boy na atama we walk few no get do. O I mo no afi get do. Ona check police, o ka na check police. Police ite me na we. No di you we no pa. My kid no pepe ye. Pepe money you to. Mo pe na mo da police na we. If no we want na guy will pe fi get ave. Or will pe fi no get ave. Ya gbe. And I will care na the me ba ti me. Ina ti ni me ma ya na control e. Ina we ti ni e ba me na do we. Okay, thank you. The one minute doing in at ye, where Mofi Uji, and Mofi face at ye, one minute don't want. So, maybe on it. United Mana, United Mwezoni, United Mwadi police station, police line, where I would, and I retire. Now you more the Cotiana, the Azoniwa. You just suppose, you're not one so on Gogo, where ye winoma, you matters about that just father, where it mark Bimaku Pamaya, the Queen away. So a very or no mount or not. Motors of what you are the Azoniwa. What of Pamangui? The man win there. Here are the Azoni, Jerry Morin win. Here are the Azoni, we may have a tip on of me at what me. So Azoni, on the sort of proper. Azoni met where no nothing no gear. My yape on the métier. Marry the question very soon. Marry court. I go on where win. Or say, we lose there. As only my pay 30,000 in my daddy. You lose there. Hey, never a tip on of him. Don't get it by it. Don't marry my on that water where and up we are day. I'll make one on my walk. And I cut away. Oh, you're an hour in the middle. You see her. No, it's okay. You brush it already. Okay, I'm coming now. Let me finish. Yes, not how the meadow do cigar, or not you know that. I will not away pa or a pan of him. And I will have a dog with me a pan of bed. Or he may we cut to Sotone. I will have a ball of mammy. May now we cut to Sotone. They give you for you in the pancake because they winnie or dinner. I like me now. Your mamma at total hospital. Or we pray that be a manary court. Or when the manary because somebody court now. Oh, why are not the women according to the law? Oh, why are not the women? Because every rat of Panaway had it. I don't want a lawyer, I want to 50 years only. Because that is the comment me at my country. I want to 50 years. My win a lawyer here to quality one. So, you know, I'll say the man up you. My grand said of proper. As on the attack, we of a proper there. Now, when my side. Now, when they Salopo my side. Omar. Here, money the tablet, Baba without because it's German law, no, he must do it. Or see, now where Ezoni, Ezoni will go monkey. You might be at Ezoni. Or Sarah Betty Ezoni. Or no, my I explain my.
Then we win you all, and I wear a look at the look at.
You may not be out there, may not be out there for doing only a town. Ye win. Ari azoni wa eta ngoro pama win. Ya fende pe ni ko kwati bi
Yeah.
What the Jama open not here.
Okay.
Where God may pour out a pan of. And in a time where a terrorist, you know, and in a take bed, we are the Azoni wow. Because motor support no wrong in Azoni. You take police in me, and not take police or wrong in the Guna. I don't know that. I got not a walk in your clear day. Omaro give that guarantee or that right. No, ya are table there. Omaro market cannot table now. So I know the Azoni wa. Definitely, Osalopa where any Marewuna, Azoni Garia, I put ye. So you know, understanding that.
Okay.
So what of my sort of my idea is only court.
Thank you.
For social court.
Wato. Wato.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Okay.
Don't sir. Wato, sir. All right, man. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Yes, so that is a part of the movie. I believe all of you listen to what a part of the movie talk. That one, the one side. Saga continue. Elogi. I don't know. Where you are. A part one. I'm still for you people. You see why ya been bo asigbon? Because why ma bo ma we? Why ma bo ma we? Why ma bo ma we? It is grace you. I'm it is grace in Ngwani di nya wari enu wa tata. Aje bonus Lavian. Okay. From it all. Wait from it all. Lavian. A video ya we give it laugh. You dey gbakadi. You dey gbakadi. Aje bo a YouTube would be you this is how many months. I wanted the way with videos on YouTube or where they want to learn on YouTube. Go join me on YouTube. Let me come and play audio. Go join me on YouTube. Let me come and play audio. We don't know why. I just back up. We don't know why. We say YouTube because you automatically fake. Everything about you is fake. A Facebook, you know. Men at time we can't join me on YouTube. Every year I be YouTube because if you are bad way, even talk you. That's the reason why you see, why are YouTube bound? They will still follow me down to that YouTube. Baba with the smart TV. Yeah, we are going wherever. You understand? Because here I wear matter here with our ya told me. Ya recording, no record na forge. You understand? I say the way it is. Women HIV. Ajebo, who are full leg boy. Who to go, but to full leg boy. I'm one in HIV from Nigeria. We're not the way we're buying. Me have HIV away, Buddha. Nene Bene, Oswald. A man, the Bunic one here, you never meet me, Buddha. You are telling young woman. Or one handle deep on what you are made in bay. Or Yami Buddha. And I hear me on here, or by the way, the German way. Or Yami be with that same dot mod. Would I have we are about the Buddha, Yamir, here, me. A deportation in Mari. Hospital, Amuari. Well, my work bazuo. Iba mi mita edo atori. Ni edo ya atori. You be ya repeat story we na go ya ho. E ma ni my carry story we. How do we story we? Iwe be ya repeat yan. E story we gbe no ye be. Na. You mind come on. Part 1 na hina. E story we part 1. I na hina story we. Part 1. A story working. All around this is just part 1. Short time then. The Ajebo said she slept with Monica at Dream. You understand? Take by a big story where you be. But when I want to be with Monica, a Monica can zanzan with gun. The boy can go up, but when I pull with boy, woman in a tap, you couldn't reply Monica. A Monica, my way. Ah, dear, you are no gay. You know, we not about here now. I am not how mean who mean the Monica do already kill. Monica do a hoe mean. I not talk now, talk on. Kale yakwa. When we be at Tivasi. Eh? Oh, I just want. I go west where. You see the guy. This way. Are enogi buga. Enogi no wa. Enogi no wa muli. Enogi no do agu me gwan live video. Enogi. We like we do feel like when ma we ya le gbi me. When I ri me, wo ga teacher wo me. You were my son's teacher in a wotubu. Wo ga teacher me wotubu. If there are you flash full flash no more school. You know you uri ba ni excellent guys so so no o wa egbin me we do gire ba ore ni ba da mu na mu at school uri la we bodo wa fun do guy obo gbe wa gili wa zo enwa se wa gene egbe we se wa gene egbe e page na wa support a page na wa me supporter badge page na wa press supporter badge wa support a page na. You understand? Mind you, it's also a congratulation to me too. Umenwe talk show. Yeah, let me come back again. Umenwe talk show. When you take a be I hacker, I scammer. So my big man, you understand? Not be small Johnny. It's how one big game one. Okay. Yeah. Facebook live video presenters. Information you're giving when I share this video. Live video presenters. Tiens. Wadere non bana. Wadere. Iyan a send a message giwa. Wa block yan. Iyan a send a message giwa. Wa block yan. Presenters. And I show this to so. Iyan a send a message giwa. When iyan only have one vat. You ti message ni yan send it to me because me block yan. Adam yo, a message ni yan send it to me. Yan send it giwa na. Greetings. I'm a greeting admin. I am employee in advertising and a social marketing firm. Our company provides ads that are authenticated and verified by Facebook. We don't use any link or clickbait content. We only use verified sponsor ads of some international brands from around the world. We would like to pay you for placing our content on your page. Let me know if you have any interest. On a posting a page one of universe. Now forward there go. Target was this page. Who are you, please? Presenters move now, be careful. They don't collect my page. These people they collect page. Now anyway, we are from USA. We just provide you create it and you will place them on your Facebook page and get paid for it. We want to do sponsor advertisement on your Facebook fan page. We have some multi-millionaire brands and we are affected with more than 10,000 brands. We will send you 10 create ads related to your page category. You can choose any two of them and place them on your page. I will explain each time about how to make. First, let us know how does it sound to you. Thanks. So, now okay, no problem. How do you pay? Then I want to send it because you're gonna the more important than me. I agree to now. So now, how do you pay? Now payment method, bank IBAN, prepaid, cash ship, Western Union, PayTN, mobile accounts. We can pay you by those methods. You can tell us which one of those methods you prefer that we pay you with. So let me know how much. We will pay you $300 per 1 aid for 24 hours, and we will provide 2 aids every day. But I heard that $600 for your name. I said, okay, good. So tell me how we start. I don't know how. When I wait, that they listen to me so. And they listen to me so. In case if it happen to now presenters, if it happen to now, I wanna be careful. So now he can't send me. He can't tell me and send me my email. Where they use to log in the Facebook. I can say okay. I can't send the email. As I send the email, then they can send me this page. Oh, that they do this live video, so which is audio level 1 of the universe. And I forward the level because me say get started. I can press get started. So as I press I read. Then now you can send me. I come as I start. They can forward this page to me. So we can add this page audio level. My mind not carrying out. So this is the level no. This is the level no. I never want to monetize this one. No. I can't cancel them. I can't add Umenwa Talk Show. As I add Umenwa Talk Show, bam. You can write to me from my WhatsApp, say, make I add on that page. Now I say, no, let's work with this page. You can insist, say, no, make I add on that page. And then I can say, why this man insist, say, make I add on that page? I give you one of my biggest page. You say, no, so make I add on that page, which is this other level. So, now I shake my head and say, no, this one is going to scam the bill. My spirit don't tell me it's going to scam. I say, okay, you know what? This particular page where I give you so that my biggest page be this one. So I don't want to use any other small page. You say no, make I add on that. It's already me, make I add on that page. It's could run for inside. And I said, no, I'm not interested anymore. Sign me out of this advertisement Facebook page. My people, you say I lie you. Now play. We talk for WhatsApp. You know, the next thing, remove me as admin. Collect the page. He remove me command for inside the Facebook. Automatically, I don't get access to my talk show again. For the past 3 days before this now. Oh boy. And I get security pin where I actually lock that page. Where I actually lock that page. So as he remove me for the page now, page not going to work. Me not fit enter. Me not fit use the page. He not fit use the page. You understand? So when I use brain, this was the 419. I have to start the right to Facebook since yesterday. And yesterday they give me the page back. Facebook give me the page back. So when I be careful, these same people, they fool everywhere in different way. They fool everywhere. Different way that they fall out. So mind the kind of people who you follow they do business, social media. So now real, so now fake. Especially if you want make sure they communicate with them. Know where they hear their voice like this one now. And just chatting. If you call it, they know they pick. If you call it, they know they pick. Now go in the chat. Then what they want to do for them to show you so they real. If you call them, they don't go pick you. Therefore, go in, they go decline the call. You go in, they will decline. After 2 minutes, they'll call you. After 2 minutes, they go flash you. They don't go call you. Before you pick the dog cut on. Before you pick the dog cut on, you go they call them, but they go they decline them. They call you saying they're busy, more chat. Then they get the call so. Because they're busy, more chat. But you just flash me just now. I could get and say this people have scammed the bill. Because when you want to do business, you need to communicate, you need to hear a voice. If possible, see for video call. They don't agree. You feel me? Someone that they use brain, maybe these people not scam now. Presenters. All of us now talk to not be one person. See them. American now US number that they use. You understand? They will say they be advertising it. And the number now +1 707 300 9050. Now be the number. If case they call now, they send a message. Presenters want to answer them. They scam. And they hear me so. I'm not below for. I want a picture. We'll rest for here. And leave it over here. What's all right here. So, congratulations to Umenwa Talk Show. So, like tomorrow, we'll start to do live video there. So, I do broadcast there. You understand? That's the only place we have star. So, for those who want to give us stars, we have stars in the Umenwa Talk Show. For the level here, we have supporter badge. If you love this page, you love what we're doing here, you can support this page. You understand? Support this page. Now love me. If you know so you love me, show the love. Only 3 persons and they show me love for this page. If Bella and one of my beautiful woman, Frances, Mercy Frances, something like that, and CY, 3 people and they support us for this page. As we plenty reach about 10,000 people. They this page. Only 3 that they support this page. It don't make sense. Only support the page. Only recommend the page. you recommend the page where you watch. At this page, what they do here, they okay. You recommend the page. Put your positive recommendation. Go to that review. You'll see the right review for the page. You click there, press your recommendation. You recommend the page. It's not just by watching, showing love and like. If you truly love what they're doing on the page, what they are saying on the page, that guy is saying it honestly. Yeah, he said the way it is. He's always a honest person. You know, simple thing. Just write your recommendation on the page. Or you can also support this page. €5, £5, for €2. The money there, €5. Did that. Just click on the page. So recommend you support the page. You become a supporter. Each time you comment, you get your supporter badge. See this one, and you see if a Rose comment now. The supporter badge must be there to show you they support this page. You understand? That's how it is. So I greet you now with love. Waya, it's all right there. So what do waya? Allah wada waya me waya na go waya na mo no masala mo. Akuaba. Truly love you guys. One love will be better. This is from Victor the Umewa, one of the universe, aka the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutuno, and the social media bomb. I also do my drink time. Please, if you need any of us, my assistance, you need my help. If you call, I didn't pick your call. Just drop your voice message. It's done. You drop a voice message so that when I come back, I can, attend to that voice message and calling. At least I need to still get time for myself, do my own thing on my own way. So in case you call, I didn't pick your call, you go drop voice notes. You understand? Drop voice notes. What I want to do like that, may not be like we inconvenience each other. You understand? So everybody's very important and everybody's welcome to this platform. That's how it is. One love, I could boy team, and one name. Oh, they who are ya to 1 7 wow. Now ya why ya sell me. What right now, Bab.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully